As I was an athlete, when I had problems with my body and I met doctors where I now think the treatment was really bad, my goal was always to do it better, to bring them back in short time, back on the track, on the pitch, on the tennis field, or back on the road as a cyclist. I work for an American cycling team called Radio Shack. This is really impressive when you see how high class the pictures are. Right? Even on big ultrasound scanners in practice or in clinics, sometimes you don't get pictures like this. It was for me really interesting how much you can see with an ultrasonic scanner, especially on shoulders, because that's the only way to do a dynamic examination. There's no fluid inside. This shoulder is really okay. You get really good pictures and you get a really quick first idea what is going on in a muscle, in a tendon, in a joint. I have it all the time, I have it with me in the bus. If there's any kind of problem where I can use an ultrasonic scanner, I use it. Around the race, it's a perfect help.
The start of the Angen Tour of California, we still have 8 days of racing.
Every case is like an emergency case, even if they just have like a tendon problem, because for each rider it wants to cycle next day again. And so you can do a quick check on abdomen scan after a crash, on tendon scans when they have problems after long stages. You don't lose time. The riders have more time to recover because they don't have to sit in a car for 2 hours going to a hospital, being in a hospital for 3-4 hours for a scan and going back. So they come back middle of the night and the next morning they have to race again. So it makes the whole job much easier. And I myself feel much safer when I have done an ultrasonic scan and can say, okay, it doesn't look that bad.
It's really easy also for us, no? Like in place of going to the hospital just to know if everything is okay, maybe you lose I don't know how much time. When we are in the race, we don't have time to recover, so we need to know fast, no? So if the doctor can come and check, for us it's perfect.
About 3 years ago, we had a case at the Tour de France where one rider crashed, and there was a mountain stage, you can say in the middle of nowhere, so the next hospital was about 150 k's away, just mountain roads, so that means just one way, probably about 2.5 hours ride. And he crashed on his elbow. Elbow was swollen, was painful on touchings, and I scanned his radial head. You almost could see the whole radial head, the whole surrounding, and it was all okay. So I said, there's no fracture, treat him over the night and we'll see next morning. And next morning he could ride again and he felt well. So that was probably one case where we really saved time, saved energy. The rider was happy, the team director was happy. It's the future to use mobile ultrasound systems more and more. It really gives me advantage, it gives me more security in my treatment.